Bitcoin is up over 5% today. It has touched 42K and is heading higher. But will price keep going back up to 60K, or will price trade sideways for some time before going to 20K? Watch till the end and I'll show you my trades and what I'm doing at the very moment to take advantage of Bitcoin's next big move. Hey everyone, it's Seth with Ascent22. The content is free, the jokes are free. All I ask is you do me a big favor and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so YouTube pushes the content in front of more people. Okay, now let's jump right into it. Okay, so at the moment we're currently looking at the Bitcoin versus US dollar chart, and now we can see that after Bitcoin fell from 42K down to 38K, Bitcoin has managed to stage a 3-day rally back to 42K and is even moving higher. This is extra bullish for Bitcoin. The bulls are clearly in control. With $625 million in options about to expire soon, the bulls are trying to push their price over 40K to push things in their favor. From the chart and patterns alone, it is not yet clear enough to say with confidence that this rally will continue higher, right? Because we've not yet had a daily candle close above this resistance line, right? So we have this 43K resistance line. This was support for us back when we were going back to we were going up to 60K. So when we're going to 60K, this was support, right? This was acting as support, but now this is acting as a resistance line now, right? So it is not yet clear enough to say with high confidence that this will continue higher. Now let's turn on some indicators and let's see what the indicators have to say. All right. So at the moment we have the MACD and the RSI on the chart. And now we can see from the MACD that the MACD line, the blue line over here, has stayed above the zero line, right? So it has stayed above this zero line, and also it has stayed above the signal line, which is this orange line, right? This is extra bullish for Bitcoin at the moment. The RSI almost at 70 is a little bit concerning. But from past price action, we know that when Bitcoin is in a bullish trend, like we see over here, so when Bitcoin was in this bullish trend, we see that the RSI did hit 70 before that, right? So the RSI hit 70 at this point, but then after that, the price kept pushing up, right? So the RSI getting to the 70 level over here, even though that is concerning, until this trend is broken, right? Until this trend is broken, it's not too much concerning, right? But then it definitely shows that there's a possible trend reversal coming. On the weekly chart, things are looking kind of bullish. We've had our third green weekly candle in a row. And if we're able to get enough momentum to push us past this 43K resistance line, then we should probably see a 50K Bitcoin very soon. Bitcoin going to 50K is definitely possible, but to be able to do that, we will need people buying and we will need Bitcoin to dominate the market. So let's take a look at the dominance chart. We are looking at Bitcoin's dominance chart at the moment, and we can see that Bitcoin's dominance has been steadily moving up inside this rising wedge, right? And this rising wedge pattern is actually a bearish indicator, which actually shows that a drop is coming, right? But then Bitcoin has not done that yet, so that is good. For me to go bullish on Bitcoin, I will need Bitcoin's dominance to rise past the 50 level. At the moment, it's sitting at 47. I'll need this to rise past 50% level for me to think Bitcoin is going bullish. So if Bitcoin's dominance stays in that rising wedge pattern and it breaks upwards, then Bitcoin will be dominating the market and determining the price movements in the market for some time. But if Bitcoin's dominance breaks downwards, then there's also that potential of having a second altcoin season. Now for what I'm doing, I have two very small positions. I have one short position and I have one long position. And in both, I only have $25 of my own money. So why do I have a long position and a short position? Like I said before, the price of Bitcoin seems to be trading sideways, but with a very high potential of going bullish and breaking the resistance line at 43K and going higher. If we do break the 43K resistance level and push higher past 44K, I will close my short position and I will add to my long position. But if we do break the 38K support line and head lower, I will have to close my long position and add to my short position. Okay, so now you know what I am doing, but I would like to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section if you think Bitcoin will break the resistance line at 43K and push higher, or do you think Bitcoin will break the support line at 38K and push lower? Let me know in the comment section, and also don't forget to do me that big favor, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button.